building a simple budget that works. Here's the hook. If your money keeps disappearing before the month ends, it's not because you're bad with money. It's because you don't have the knowledge, nor a system to enable you to succeed. Today you will change that. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a budget that actually works. All you need is a willingness to learn the knowledge and the discipline needed to put it into practice. Part 1. Why budgets fail. Most people hate budgets because they think a budget means cutting out everything fun. But that's not what a budget is. A budget is simply a plan. It tells your money where to go, instead of you wondering where it went. The problem is, people make their budgets too complicated, and then give up after a week. I cannot stress enough, do not give up. A budget should be as simple as one can make it. It's easier for those starting out to follow as well. After you get the basics down, you'll have the foundation necessary to move into more complex areas if you so wish. Wait, is that even a real math problem? Let me know in the comments. Part 2. The 50-30-20 rule. The easiest way to build a budget is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your money goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. Those percentages can be unrealistic today for many, given the fact that most are being robbed in taxes and overpriced on many of the goods they buy. So you will need to adjust those percentages to fit your situation. Though keep in mind that as you hit goals, those percentages will change. It is not so much as where you start at, so don't get caught up in comparing. Instead, focus on the goal and the results. Seeing how far you've come and grown always outshadows where you start at. So adopt whatever form of 50-30-20 rule that works best for your situation. That's it. Don't overwhelm yourself. Get the basics down first. It's simple, and you don't need to track every penny. Just focus on the categories that define your overall spending. Needs, wants, and savings, along with debt, if you have any. Or if you want to get wild, go ahead, track every penny. Part 3. Automating your budget. The secret to sticking to a budget is automation. You should have willpower, but don't rely on that willpower. Instead, set up automatic transfers. For example, on payday, have your bank automatically move 20% into savings. Then, pay your bills automatically. Whatever's left is what you can spend freely without guilt. That way, your budget works even when you're not thinking about it. Part 4. Adjusting for real life. No budget is perfect the first time. Maybe your rent is higher than 50%. Maybe you have childcare expenses. That's okay. The key is not perfection, it's awareness. If you need to adjust, but once you see where your money is going, you're in control. I challenge you. Write down your income versus expenses and split it into the 50-30-20 rule. Remember, adjust the percentages as needed. Then set up one automatic transfer, either for every 2 weeks or every month. Just one. Even if it's only $20 into savings. That's a start. Which is the whole point to this. For you to get started now and stop wasting your precious time. You'll feel the difference almost immediately. Set it and forget it. Believe in the you that believes in you. Thank you for watching. If you found value here, please subscribe and stick around for more. In the next video, we'll talk about a financial safety net and your emergency fund.